Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is Ajeline. I'm 37 years old from San Jose, Quirino, Isabela. I have a live-in partner blessed with one child. He is 1 year and 7 months old. My live-in partner is a referee. My father is a farmer. My mother is deceased. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am loving, caring, hardworking, and patient. I work as a domestic helper in Oman for 2 years, 5 members of the family. I also work in Kuwait for 3 years, 6 members of the family. I also work in Hong Kong for 8 years, 4 members of the family. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and going to the market. I want to go back in Hong Kong because to provide the needs of my family and to build my own house. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper, and I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.